Guys, today, if you're someone who values pristine audio quality, seamless connectivity and unparalleled comfort, you're in for a treat. So buckle up and get ready to embark on an extraordinary audio adventure. And it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we are taking a look at these. These are the HT2 wireless active noise cancelling headphones from TOZO. Now, if you don't know TOZO, well, they make a ton of different headphones, earbuds, smartwatches, speakers, and lots more. Now, before we get into it, guys, TOZO sent me these HT2 headphones to review in exchange for my honest opinion. You know, guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first thing, open the box up and you have some paperwork. You also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and if you use these headphones in wired mode, you also have a 3.5 to 3.5mm audio cable. Also guys, then you get to the main event, and that's the HT2 itself. Now, I've got the black version, however, these come in a whole array of different colours. Now, I also like the fact that these are foldable, particularly as, you know what, when you're traveling these days, space is always a constraint. Also, guys, these are mainly constructed of plastic. You do get some nice foam on the ear cups and on the headband. And when adjusting the headband, you can see there's metal under the plastic, and it's even got the size of your head on the metal, so you kind of can get a fairly accurate, I mean, I know you can just put them on, right, and you know, you kind of know how they feel, but you have got the sizes on there if you fancy that, and it also adds a little bit more strength. Now, taking a look at the controls, and everything is on one side. You get the power switch, which doubles up as a play pause button, and you get the volume up and down rocker, and you get those 3.5 and the USB ports so that you can plug in your respective cables. And guys, you also get that one push active noise cancellation switch. Now, what sets these TOZO HT2 headphones apart from the rest? Well, firstly, you get 40mm dynamic driver units, which, you know, these deliver an immersive sound experience that transcends expectations. Whether you're grooving to your favorite tunes, catching up on the latest podcast, every sound is crisp, clear, and full of life. But you know what? There's actually more to these. You've got transparency mode, and that enables you to stay connected to your surroundings while enjoying your music and keeping you connected to those surroundings. Whether you're commuting in the hustle and bustle of the city, or you're taking a leisurely stroll through nature, or whatever, transparency mode keeps you aware and immersed at the same time. The TOZO HT2 headphones also feature Orange X Acoustic 2.0. You get Bluetooth 5.3 technology, which ensures that you're going to get a very good and stable connection. And guys, because you can use these for phone calls as well, you don't get dropped calls, you get crystal clear audio. Everybody that I spoke to while using these could hear me just fine. So guys, wherever you go, uninterrupted communication. And don't forget guys, if you have a device that supports it, you can also take advantage of high-res audio. So these support high-res audio. You don't get it with an iPhone. If you've got an Android or a dedicated music player, you are good to go. And guys, comfort, well, I can tell you now, with these soft ear pads and this adjustable lightweight design, these headphones are engineered for all-day wear. I wore them for several hours, and you know what? It never got tiring. And speaking of uninterrupted listening, Like I said, with just one click, you can activate noise cancellation, and that allows you to tune out the world. I mean, I've got to say, even when you put these on, it's pretty quiet in here, and they're not even on. So you know what, guys, whether you're in a crowded cafe, a noisy office, you know, these TOZO HT2 headphones keep those distractions at bay, allowing you to focus on what matters most, and that is your music. And lastly, guys, to help you take control of this little marvel, there's an app. Of course there is. And with that app, guys, you can take control of your audio, you can customize sound with preset EQ settings, you can dive into different listening experiences with features that are designed to elevate your enjoyment of music, podcasts, or whatever you choose to listen to. There's a ton of different settings in this app, and as well as that, you also get the ability to update your firmware, making these a pretty worthy investment. So there you have it, guys. These are the TOZO HT2 headphones. Immerse yourself in extraordinary audio quality, stay connected with crystal clear calls, and enjoy all day comfort and convenience in one stylish package. Upgrade your listening experience today, guys, with these TOZO HT2 headphones, because you know what? Life is too short for ordinary sound. And you know what? At a cost of only £58.99 at the time of this video going live, you are getting a lot of tech at a steal. I'll leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to TOZO for sending me these killer headphones to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.